How to create an Instagram account. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Instagram account using your phone. Let's get started. Open Instagram on your Android phone or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then tap Create New Account and select Create Manually. You can sign up using either your phone number or your email address. Choose the option you prefer, enter your details, and tap Next. Instagram will send you a verification code. Check your email inbox or text messages, enter the code, and tap Next. Now, create a strong password for your account. It's a good idea to include letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Next, select your date of birth and tap Next. Enter your full name, then tap Next once again. Now, choose a username for your Instagram account. If your preferred username isn't available, you can add numbers or make small changes until you find one that works. Once you're happy with your username, tap Next, and then tap I agree to accept Instagram's terms and conditions. Instagram may ask you to add a profile picture, connect your Facebook account, or sync your contacts. You can complete these steps now, or simply skip them and set everything up later. Choose the option that works best for you. That's it. You've successfully created your Instagram account. You can now follow your favorite creators, upload your first post, customize your profile, and start exploring Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.